Welcome to the Creating Ordering Questions in the Question Library demo. First, log in to your Desire to Learn account and go into your course. On the course navigation bar, click on the Assessments link. Notice the tabs at the top: Manage Assessments, Question Library, and Statistics. Click on the Question Library tab. Click on the section name to go into its folder. From the New drop-down button, click on the question type you want to create. To create an ordering question, pick that option from the New drop-down button. You can leave the title of the question blank. Doing so will make the question text show up as the title. You can leave the points value set to 1. This number can be changed later when you create your assessment. Click in the question text field and enter in your question. Example: put these in order for submitting an assignment. If you want to add an image to go along with this question, click on the Insert an Image button and locate the image on your computer, and then click the Add button. For grading, you have the options of equally weighted, all or nothing, or right minus wrong. If you want the question graded as the student either got it right or wrong, use the all or nothing choice. If you want the question graded with partial credit, use one of the other two options. In the value column, you enter in the answers in the correct order. If you wish to give feedback at the end of the assessment, you may enter it in the feedback next to each choice. Example: Dropbox, homework folder, add a file. Use the Add Item text to add values. Browse. Submit. Here is a grading example. This is a question with 5 choices, and let's say the student answered 3 of them correctly. Using the all or nothing choice, the answer is either all correct or wrong. The student didn't get all of the answers, so he would score 0 for this question. For the other 2 options, the student can get partial credit. Each question is worth 1/5 of the points because there are 5 answers. In this example, of the 5 possible answers, the student chose 3 right answers and 2 wrong answers. Using the right minus wrong option, the student will score 3/5 minus 2/5 equaling 1/5 of the points for that question, which is 20%. Using the equally weighted option, the student will score only the right answers, or 3/5 of the points, which is 60%. If at any point you would like to see what the question would look like, you can select the Preview button at the bottom. Once you have finished previewing the question, select Done at the bottom to go back to the Edit screen. When you are finished making changes, click on the Save button in the bottom left-hand corner and you will return to the section list. If you want to create another question very similar to this one, click on the Save and Copy button. That will save this question and create another one with all of this question's information, so that you can edit this information instead of retyping it. If you want to create another question of this same type, click on the Save and New button. That will save this question and give you a new blank question of this question type. You have now successfully created an ordering question in the question library. To return to the question library, click on the question library breadcrumb trail, or click on the Done Editing Questions button to return to the Assessments tool.